Hi, I'm Masaya, I'm from HKS. This year at SEMA, we're featuring the brand new GR Supra, and this is our example right here. The main feature we have is our brand new original wide body aero kit, made specifically for HKS, will be available through our dealer network, hopefully into next year. Featuring a lot of design cues from our previous time attack machines. So if you're familiar with cars that we've had in the past, like our CT230R, Lancer Evolution, or more recently the Toyota 86 and Suzuki Swift Sport platforms, we have a lot of design cues from that. So the wide body aero, very reminiscent of previous cars that we've had. And then again, trying to show off our time attack heritage, these rear canards here add a fairly unique feature, which allow us to keep the stability at the rear end. Today we're showcasing a prototype carbon fiber rear GT wing. Initially, when the product will go for sale, we'll be offering it with an FRP wing, but we are looking to try and introduce a carbon fiber wing in the future. On the car itself, we have it lowered with our HKS Touring suspension set. We have a spring setup that runs on the existing dampers, so that allows us to maintain the stock electronic control in the dampers. We have an example on the shelf that we can show you, and then inside the car we have our new exhaust system that we're about to release. Once again, we'll show you that in just a moment in its components. Okay, so we have some of the parts that are installed on that car and some of the things that we have coming up fairly soon for you right here. So first of all, this is our HKS Touring height adjustable spring setup. So again, we have the adjustment available on the height, front and rear, and then it's designed to sit over the stock damper to maintain the control, the electronic control from the standard car. One of the feature points is the bump stop here. We're actually using it as an active part of controlling the dampening. So a real crucial part for the suspension control. It's really allowed us to give a much sportier ride with the stock damper. We have here our new dual muffler setup. We'll be taking orders on those very soon. We hope to have these available maybe towards the tail end of this year, maybe early next year, for delivery, featuring our twin layout at the back here. It uses the stock motor and valve control, so the stock electronic system to control the valve can still be retained. In the near future, we have this prototype downpipe that we're hoping to bring to you. It's still in early stages of development, but hopefully we can bring you more information on that soon. And then also we have this prototype intake layout here for the new Supra. For the time being, we do have already a drop-in replacement panel filter available for the A90 Supra, and then we'll also be bringing out soon an electronic device here, the power editor, which is designed to offset the signals of certain sensors to increase boost levels and bring the power levels up as well. So right now that's what we have going on for the new Supra, and please keep in touch with us, and hopefully we can bring you more and more items from HKS for the new Supra.